Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
Not conveyor belt, but bullet sushi.
Any kind of sushi.
Yeah. And a little hot sake. So we missed green onion when we went home, because green onion on sushi is so good. And the mayonnaise here tastes so much better than at home, somehow.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think mayonnaise tastes like mayonnaise.
My bounty. Trying some really, really tacky burger sushi. It looks like mashed up dreams and desires.
I was equal parts embarrassed to eat something like this and also curious. Well, I guess not equal because curiosity won.
Very delicious.
The integrity. It all went awry. Okay, the rest is a topic now.
Put it in your face hole. Put it
Go
in.
man, go man. It tastes like what you would expect. You know what it is, and it tastes like what it is. I wouldn't order it again, but yeah, it tastes like a burger on ice.
Gambling person, I would bet that you kind of are a fan of this.
What gave it away?
Maybe everything you're wearing, including your underpants.
Yeah, this is official. Oh, if I had a pill on the back of my jacket,
Yeah.
I'd be so sick.
I'll make you a velvet pill jacket. And this was the moment he became.
じゃあこの帽子をお前に預ける。俺の大切な帽子だ。
Thanks, Shanks.
What's up there?
So we were planning on trying a Tsingtao in China so that we could compare it to the ones we get at home. And the vending machines won't give them to us.
We had beer the first night, didn't we? That was a long time ago now.
No, why did we?
I think we did.
I don't know, man. It was like 2 weeks ago.
We'll watch the video.
Anyways,
or insert a
we're
clip
gonna have to
right
insert
here.
a clip. And know whether or not I'm wrong.
So Japan was super dope. I guess this is marks the end of this series.
Yeah, it
I
does.
hope y'all enjoyed it. Yeah, please subscribe and like and you know, all that shit.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh yeah.
Everybody should go to Japan.
Yeah, everybody should go to Japan.
I think Nagano was my
Gabby
favorite
endorses
this time around.
Japan.
I didn't know
Nagano?
Japan.
And Giles endorses Nagano. I think
Was that the highlight?
Nagano? Yeah, I think so.
the highlight for all three of us then was Nagano.
It had the perfect balance of like rural beauty and just a little bit downtown feel. It was just perfect. It was amazing.
And it helped a lot that our accommodation was amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my
In
god.
an old house. It's that, yeah, as Gabi said, like the cross between it
Yeah.
being like tons of beautiful shrines and rural, and then also a bustling city, but not bustling
Not
like
too much.
Osaka and Tokyo.
So much buzz.
Yeah, just a little bustle.
Until next time.
Yeah,
Same bumbling bumblers. Same bumbling bums.
bums.
So to all you bumble tears out there, bumble it up. Peace out.